Once you have sections added to your Google form, possibilities are endless. So, when we started talking about sections, we noticed that at the end of each section, you can choose the next action. But did you know you can also add this to a specific question? So, you can go to a section based on an answer. So check it out. I made a new section called remediation. So let's pretend if you didn't get what's 2 plus 2, I'm going to go ahead and copy this question and put it into remediation. So after section 3, I'm going to change this to submit form. Now, if I click on this question and click on the kabob, I have a new option to go to section based on answer. So if they answer 2, I want them to go to remediation. If they answer 3, remediation. If they answer 4, they can submit the form. And if they answer 5, they can go to remediation. So now, when someone completes this quiz, they still have the kind of pages, if you will, with the image and the video, and now they're at the quiz. What color is the sky? Blue. Let's say it's 5. Next. Oh, remediation. 3. Submit. So now when they see their score, they're going to see each section. So we have section 1, video, the quiz. Ooh, I only got it half right. And then in remediation, I got it wrong both times. Now let's pretend that we're going to get this all correct. So I'm going next, next, answering blue, answering 4, next. Takes me to a submit because I answered correctly. And then you click submit and you're done. So you can add functionality to your Google form by clicking the kabob in the question and choosing to go to section based on answer. So even here, I could say go to section based on answer and choose the option that needs to happen there. Now, if you erroneously choose this, you can just untick it and guess what? We're back to a normal question. So if you're interested in branching forms or escape rooms and things like that, this is how people have been doing it.